Welcome to the brand new 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. The AT4 is powered by a 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the truck: power windows, locks and mirrors, AT4 on the door cards, 4x4 driving modes, trailer mode, automatic headlights and fog lights, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, forward collision warning and paddle shifters, full digital gauge cluster there, 13.4-inch large touchscreen now, using the Google operating system. You do have dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seating, massive push button ignition, gear selector now in the center of the console with your trailer integrated trailer braking system. The truck does have auto stop start disable. We have the black leather with the Kalahari inserts, Bose audio, and our AT4 headrest seats up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC Sierra AT4, we have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack all-terrain tires, color-matched door handles with keyless entry, AT4 badging, Duramax turbo diesel plaque on the front fender. The AT4 comes with the factory 2-inch lift installed as well. Coming to the front, you have your AT4 branded grille, red recovery hooks, LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, and fog lights, AT4 black chrome grille, crew cab truck with rear tinted privacy windows, blacked out window trim. We have the remote start for the Duramax diesel engine, dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow pack, LED brake lights, GM MultiPro tailgate, and of course your GMC Sierra AT4 badging. Jumping into the interior here, we do have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready. Solid rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top with a solid roof with LED lighting, 3-stage heated seat controls and USB ports in the back of the center console. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 GMC Sierra AT4. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.